Every luxury cushion begins with forgotten old clothes. The recycling journey starts in neighborhoods across the city.
Collectors purchase unwanted garments directly from homes. Every piece is given a second life.
The collected clothes are organized before resale. Nothing useful is wasted.
The collected garments reach local textile buyers. The next stage begins with careful weighing.
Every kilogram is accurately measured. Collectors receive payment based on weight.
Once purchased, the garments enter the recycling supply chain. The real transformation is about to begin.
Small shops combine thousands of garments. They are prepared for bulk transport. Bulk dealers transport massive textile loads. The factory awaits.
Millions of fibers begin a new journey here. Industrial recycling starts now. A mountain of discarded clothing becomes valuable raw material. Automation takes over.
The collected garments begin their industrial cleaning process. Powerful conveyors feed thousands of clothes every hour. The garments enter an industrial washing drum. Everything is prepared for deep cleaning.
Powerful water jets remove years of dirt. Industrial detergents thoroughly sanitize every fabric. Multiple rinse cycles remove detergent completely. Only clean textile fibers remain.
The washing process is complete. The clean garments move toward moisture removal.
The centrifuge removes excess water in seconds. This reduces drying time significantly. Industrial dryers gently remove remaining moisture. Controlled heat protects the textile fibers. Temperature and humidity are precisely controlled. Every fabric is evenly dried. Only high-quality textile material moves forward. Every batch is carefully inspected. Now the clean fabrics are ready for intelligent sorting. Advanced scanners identify every textile with precision. Artificial intelligence identifies every fabric in seconds. Each textile is sorted for its best possible reuse. Robotic sorting ensures maximum recycling efficiency. Each material follows its own recycling path. Every zipper and button is removed by hand. Only clean textile material moves forward. Sensitive scanners detect even tiny metal pieces. This protects the shredding equipment. Sorting by color reduces future dyeing requirements. It also saves energy and water.
Only the finest recycled fabrics are selected. Quality begins with careful material selection.
The selected fabrics enter powerful shredding machines. Large garments are reduced into manageable pieces. Industrial blades break every garment into small fragments. The transformation into reusable fiber begins.
The fiber opener restores softness to the recycled material. Each strand is prepared for premium production. The recycled fibers are cleaned one final time. Now they're ready to become luxurious cushion material.
Parting aligns every recycled fiber into one smooth layer. This creates the foundation for premium cushion filling.
Soft recycled fibers are blended with premium microfibers. The perfect balance improves comfort and durability. The fibers are opened once more for maximum softness. This step creates a luxurious texture. Uniform fiber layers improve strength and consistency. Precision layering ensures premium quality. Thousands of needles bond the fibers without weaving. A strong, recycled fabric is now formed. Controlled heat locks the fibers into place. This improves strength and long-term durability. Precision rollers create a perfectly smooth finish. The recycled fabric now feels premium.
Elegant surface patterns enhance the fabric's appearance. The recycled material now resembles luxury upholstery.
Every meter is carefully inspected for quality. Only flawless material continues. The recycled fabric is now ready for production. Next, precision cutting transforms it into luxury cushion covers.
The finished fabric is spread into perfectly even layers. This prepares it for precision cutting.
Computer-controlled cutting ensures perfect accuracy. Every panel matches the design exactly. Clean edges ensure professional stitching. Every panel is carefully inspected. Each front panel is matched with its back panel. Perfect pairing ensures a flawless final product. Industrial sewing machines create strong, clean seams. The cushion cover begins to take shape.
A concealed zipper gives the cushion a premium finish. It also allows easy removal for cleaning.
Extra reinforcement increases durability. Every seam is built to last.
The completed cover is turned to reveal its finished look. Every detail is carefully checked.
Steam pressing creates a flawless appearance. The luxury finish is now complete. The finished covers are ready for filling. Next, recycled fibers transform them into luxurious cushions. Soft recycled fibers are blown into every cushion cover. Each cushion receives the perfect amount of filling. Every cushion is checked for perfect weight. Precision filling ensures lasting comfort.
Skilled hands evenly distribute the filling. This creates a soft and balanced cushion.
Each cushion is tested for softness and resilience. A premium cushion quickly regains its shape.
Every stitch and every detail is inspected. Only flawless cushions move forward.
A premium label completes the luxury design. Branding adds the final professional touch. The finished cushions are carefully cleaned. They are now ready for packaging.
Each cushion is protected in recyclable packaging. This keeps the product clean during transport. The luxury cushions are packed for worldwide delivery. The recycling journey is almost complete.
From forgotten clothes to luxurious decorative cushions, every step gives waste a valuable new